Sambulanaka, a very good afternoon and warm greetings to you all. I'm deeply honored to receive on behalf of government and all Fijians the ITATAU this afternoon. In fact, I was pleasantly surprised to hear that Fiji is participating in the 5th Asian Indoor and Martial Arts Games all the way from Ashgabat, Turkmenistan. A long way from here. I'm told that the Fiji Association of Sports and National Olympic Committee has worked extremely hard for our participation in the Games, especially to provide our athletes the opportunity to qualify for the Konrote Games in Australia next year. I'm also told that the Asian Indoor and Martial Arts Games will provide a high-level competitive platform for athletes because as many as 72 countries from around the world will be competing for top honors and with the hope of doing their countries proud. This is a significantly high number of countries, but I am confident that our 41-member delegation representing athletics, swimming, tennis, and weightlifting, we are well and truly prepared and ready. We are all aware of the magnitude of the competition. Your preparations over these past few months will be at its peak by now. All that is left is for you to go out there and do your level best. Let us for a moment ponder over these scintillating performances of Miss Apollonia Waiwai, the Commonwealth and Oceania Weightlifting Championships, and the Fijian Row Rugby Union team this past weekend. Both Apollonia, who won 4 gold medals, and the Fijian rowers' ability to win over a highly resourced team indicate that our lack of resources should not be a barrier to successful performances on the field of play. I want you to focus on developing an indomitable spirit just like the ITATAU program. And I quote, "Nahalunga michundo. Nahalunga michundo." This could be translated to mean that great things could be achieved if the spirit is set right. For now, please accept my congratulations for making it to the Team Fiji. Well done and congratulations to you all. I also thank Pasanak and the President of the Oceania National Olympic Committee, Dr. Robbie Mitchell, for opening up opportunities for our young people to participate in such high-level competitions. As I bid you farewell on behalf of Fiji, I also encourage you to join me in the fight against non-communicable diseases. I invite you to be great role models within your respective communities by promoting a healthy lifestyle. Together, you and I could encourage our people to exercise daily, eat healthy and locally grown foods, and avoid smoking and excessive consumption of environment and alcohol. All these contribute to NCDs at a very high level of deaths in Fiji. You've read all about this clear, real, and present threat to our society. We need to inspire especially our young people to choose a healthy lifestyle because this is a very key to a happy and successful life. I'm also pleased that you're going all the way to Turkmenistan. As a nation, we are also reaching out to all parts of the world to seek support for climate change and the survival of humanity. We are doing this in our capacity as the incoming president of the 23rd session of the United Nations Convention on Climate Change, or COP23. We're championing, of course, to reduce climate change, to save our planet, and to save humanity. Our call to the world leaders to address climate change is now sounding louder and clearer every day. In fact, I believe that many world leaders are taking this call seriously because many countries are now experiencing the effects of climate change. As we gather here this afternoon, the recent hurricanes like Irma that devastated the Caribbean and Harvey, which prompted one of the largest emergency evacuations in American history to date, are wake-up calls to those who still deny that climate change is real. We share the grief of the people in the Caribbean and in Texas, United States of America, as in other parts of the world who are also reeling from severe climate events like record cyclones, storms, floods, droughts, and other climate-induced hardships. The world now realizes that climate change is real and it will have a drastic effect on our planet should we remain passive. We are calling the world to fully implement the Paris Agreement and to reduce carbon emissions to about 1.5 degrees Celsius and not more. Here in Fiji, at the domestic level, each one of us can also make a difference. So in addition to my request for you to be role models for healthy living, I also encourage you to do environmental campaigns by promoting ways and means to reduce climate change and its impacts on our own communities. Please accept once again my congratulations for your selection into the team. I also commend the work of your coaches and officials in getting you ready for the games with many sun. Enjoy your trip and be great ambassadors to Fiji, both on and off the field. On behalf of Government of Fijians, I convey to you all our collective best wishes. May God bless you, your respective families, and our beloved nation Fiji. Have a night.